Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can download and install Citibank app on your mobile phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your particular app store right given over here. Go to search bar and type in Citibank and search it up. Now as soon as you do that, this is how Citi Mobile Bank app gonna look like. All you gotta do is tap on this option of get given over here and just have to double click for the verification purpose. Now it will start being downloaded right over there. You just have to patiently wait for the circle to complete. Now once the particular circle is done being completed, this is how it's gonna look like, the open option. Now go ahead, tap on this open, and your Citibank app is ready to be used. All you gotta do is accept the terms and condition and you're good to go. And when you go back, it will also be listed over here in your mobile phone home screen. So this is how easy it is for you to be doing so, and you can just do that by following the simple steps that I just showed you over here, and you're good to go. So this is it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.